Anime is one of the most watched journals all across the world. Channels like Unicap, which has over 600k plus subscribers and gained over 154 million views and making thousands of dollars every month. At the end, I'll also show you the process of creating thumbnails for these videos. Let's get started. For the script, I'm using ChatGPT 4o, which is free. Open ChatGPT and ask him to give you some interesting story ideas. Select one that sounds good, and say that, I like that one. Then write ChatGPT to give you the complete story, but the story should be simple, short, and to the point. ChatGPT will give you the complete story. The story should be simple, short, and to the point. Now, ChatGPT is provided with the complete story. Select its first paragraph, and click on this quotation mark. Ask ChatGPT to separate all the scenes of the paragraph, and also convert the scenes for the prompt for image generation. Scenes should be at least 10 to 15. Now ChatGPT has separated the scenes and is given all the prompts. Do the same, select the second paragraph and paste it in. GPT will give you the prompts for that too. Now for image generation, you can use any image generator but make sure that it has fixed seed option. For that, I am using Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo and click on image generation. Here you need to understand some settings. First of all, disable the legacy mode, so you can experience the new interface. On the left side, click on Presence and select Anime. In the present style, choose Anime General. Select Contrast Medium. Image dimension 16:9 for YouTube. By clicking on More you'll find TikTok. Go to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt of first scene, and put that. Hit Generate. This image is okay, but if you get a bad result, try again until you get the perfect image. Make sure that the first image should be the best. Click on the three dots, and copy the seed. At the bottom left side, paste that seed. Now you'll get the consistent images. Paste the second prompt and generate it. Do the same to generate all the images. Leonardo provides 150 credits daily and one generation costs 10 credits. In this way, one account can generate enough images for one paragraph. After the generation of images, you can animate them using AI. Leonardo also has a motion feature that animates the images for free. Otherwise you can use Luma, which is the best one, but the problem is, it decreases the quality. For better quality you need to buy a subscription, so I'm not doing that. Now I've generated all the images, but we need to enhance the quality. You can use any image enhancer, but I'm using Canva. Click on Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail. Drag and drop all the images, then add one image per page, then click on Add Page and a new page will be formed, and add second image on second page. In this way, add all the images. All images are added on Canva in sequence. Select the image, click on Edit Image, and then on Image Upscaler and Upscale Image. Here's the before and after comparison. Click on Replace, select the image, and set it as background so it would fit the boundaries. Do the same for all the images. Now all the images are upscaled. Click on Share, Download, increase the size, and download. A zip file is downloaded, extract all the files, and here are all the images. For voiceover, I am using Clipchamp, which is basically a video editor. Create a new video. At the left side, click on Record and Create, then on Text to Speech. Now the interface is opened. Copy the story from ChatGPT and put it in that box. Choose a voice that fits best. Hit the Save button and your voice is added to the timeline. Export the video. Then open any MP4 to MP3 converter. Convert that video into an audio file and download it. Search for Adobe Audio Enhancer, open that website, upload your audio file, and it will enhance it. Here's the comparison.
Lena, a city girl, spends her summer in a quiet beach. Lena, a city girl, spends her summer in a quiet beach.
Here are all the images and audio script. For video editing, I am using CapCut, but you can use any. Import all the images and audio files. Adjust the images according to the audio, which you can do with basic knowledge of editing. After that, add transitions between these images. Now we need background music. If you'll upload it on TikTok, then you can use CapCut's music directly, but for YouTube, open YouTube Studio, and click on Audio Library. Search for The Love Story, find the best music, and download it. Drop it in CapCut, and decrease the volume to -10 dB.
Lena, a city girl, spends her summer in a quiet beach town to escape her hectic life. She meets Jake, a local fisherman, and they quickly bond.
Click on Captions, and Generate. Select all the captions, click on Templates, and choose a template. Move it to the center of the video. Add an ending text. Before seeing the result, let's create the thumbnail. For thumbnail, I'm using Canva, but you can use any software. Click on Create, and select YouTube Thumbnail. Now upload the best image from your story scenes. Adjust the size of the image. Click on the image, Edit Image, and Image Upscaler, and upscale the image. Replace it. Again, select the image and upscale it for better quality. Here's the before-after comparison. Then click on Text, and add a text box. Go to Fonts, and search for Luxury. Select the best font. Enter your video title. Increase the font size to 96. Then select the font, click on Effects, and Shadow. Select the color black. Full the blur, and transparency. Then click on Edit Image, Adjust. And you can add Vignette. But I'm not using it. Then click on Export. If you simply export in full size, the size would be 6 megabytes, but YouTube doesn't allow thumbnails of more than 2 megabytes. So click on Export, and choose File Type JPG, full the size, and quality at 90%, and download it. The size is now 1.14 megabytes without losing the quality. Here's the final look. Here's the video.
Lena, a city girl, spends her summer in a quiet beach town to escape her hectic life. She meets Jake, a local fisherman, and they quickly bond. Lena sketches him while Jake shares his simple, contented life by the sea. As the summer progresses, they fall in love despite knowing that Lena will soon return to the city. On her last night, they say goodbye, unsure if their connection can survive the distance. Back in New York, Lena misses Jake and the peacefulness of the town. Inspired by their love, she returns to visit, hoping to make their relationship work despite their different lives.
If you want Canva Pro for lifetime, the link is given in the description.